name is Loveless. Okay, I always tell people, live to love, don't die for love. But I'm here to tell you that love exists. It depends on where you are coming from and what you've been through. Okay, so do not forget to hit the red button there to subscribe to this channel. If you find this video interesting, do not forget to share it. And I'm going to be doing love video. Love exists. Okay, true love exists. But when you have disappointment, disgrace, disappointment, wherever you find yourself, okay, but the best thing you need to do is that you have to keep moving. You have to move on with your life. No matter what happened to you, you have to keep moving. Don't let it bring you down because somebody broke your heart, because she did this, because he did that. Then you're not going to do anything with your life. You're just there what the other party is busy enjoying his or herself. I'm here to tell you that, come on, you have to move on. You have to move on. You just have to move on, okay? Just let everything go and keep moving. Move on and you'll see the beauty of life, okay? So love is real. You can find it. They stay hope. You know what I mean? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.